Hello friends, welcome to Mining Mirror and welcome to the part 2 of the Blasters examinations questions and solution series. This is the second video and in this video we are going to cover 50 questions and I hope this will be very helpful in your upcoming examinations. So friends, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this type of videos, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Let's get started. And before moving to the questions, if you want to watch the first part of this Blaster series, you can click on the I button, which will be available in the right side corner upper part of the screen. Now let's get started. Question number 36. Sources of air blast may be due to release of gases through natural fissures, cracks. Yes. Release of gases through stemming, rock displacement from the face. Answer will be E, all. Question number 37. Before starting drilling at any place, the blaster shall thoroughly clean the area, examine the presence of any socket, examine the presence of misfire. आंसर शुड बी ऑल ऑफ दिस, बट यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ए एंड बी एंड सी और जो इंडिविजुअल ऑप्शन है इसमें थॉरोली क्लीन द एरिया होना चाहिए, क्योंकि क्लीन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो उसके साथ जो बी और सी है कोई भी रहे उसमें वो आंसर हो जाएगा. तो आंसर विल बी डी, ए एंड बी एंड सी भी इसमें आंसर हो सकता है, पर जो बेटर आंसर है आंसर विल बी डी. Question number 38. How much time before use you can take out detonator from a case or container? 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes और none. Answer will be none. इसीलिए कि कहीं भी ये चीज़ नहीं दिया गया है कि डेटोनेटर को आपको इतना मिनट्स पे पहले ऐसा आपको निकाल सकते हैं. एक्चुअली डेटोनेटर उसी टाइम में निकलेगा, जस्ट इमीडिएट उसका यूज़ करने से जस्ट पहले उसको निकाल के यूज़ करना है. तो आंसर विल बी ई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. हु शुड डील विद द मिसफायर? ऑब्वियसली ब्लास्टर. आंसर विल बी ए. Question number 40. Accidents in blasting due to human failure include not posting guards at all points of entry to the danger zone, yes. Not warning all concerned within the danger zone, yes. Not taking shelters in spite of being warned, yes. So answer will be 1, 2, 3. Answer will be D. Question number 41. The blaster shall, before a shot is charged, tamed or fired, see that all persons other than his assistants, if any, in the vicinity have taken proper shelter, yes. He shall also take suitable steps to prevent any person from approaching the shot, yes. And shall himself take adequate shelter along with his assistants, yes. Answer will be E, A, B and C. Question number 42. Muffling in the blasting operation is done to limit and control the fly rug, limit and control the blown out, to prevent premature detonation, both 1 and 2 and both 1 and 3. So answer will be limit and control the fly rug. Answer will be A. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. द मैगजीन क्लर्क शैल इशू ऑन प्रायोरिटी. मैगजीन क्लर्क मतलब जो मैगजीन कीपर होता है वो इशू करता है एक्सप्लोसिव प्रायोरिटी के बेसिस में. किसको पहले? ऑप्शन है रिटर्न एक्सप्लोसिव, फ्रेश एक्सप्लोसिव ऑफ अदर मैगजीन, सोल्ड एक्सप्लोसिव. आंसर विल बी रिटर्न एक्सप्लोसिव. रिटर्न एक्सप्लोसिव क्या होता है? जो एक्सप्लोसिव जाता है ब्लास्टिंग साइड में ब्लास्टिंग करने के लिए, लेकिन कुछ कारण की वजह से वो कुछ एक्सप्लोसिव बच जाता है, तो उसको उसी दिन में उसको उसी टाइम में रिटर्न करना पड़ता है मैगजीन में. तो नेक्स्ट डे जो ब्लास्टिंग होगा, जो रिटर्न हुआ था पिछला दिन का, वो वाला एक्सप्लोसिव पहले इशू होगा फ्रेश एक्सप्लोसिव इशू करने से पहले. तो प्रायोरिटी रिटर्न एक्सप्लोसिव होता है. आंसर विल बी ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. सोर्सेस ऑफ स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आर न्यूमेटिकल लोडिंग ऑफ एनफो, yes. Rubbing together layers of different synthetic fabric, yes. Formation of lightning storms. तो आंसर विल बी ऑल 1, 2 and 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. If inclined hole drilling is practiced along with the direction of the slope of the face and is blasted with optimum charging, then dash problem can be easily solved. अगर आप फेस का जो इंक्लिनेशन रहता है, माइंस का जो बेंच है उसका फेस का जो इंक्लिनेशन है उसी के ऊपर में जो आप ड्रिल करते हैं, अगर उसी एंगल के पैरेलली हम लोग ड्रिल करते हैं और उसमें ब्लास्ट करते हैं, तो उसमें कौन सा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगा? तो वो होता है कि टो फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता है. तो आंसर विल बी बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. ट्रांजिट स्लिप इज यूज फॉर द पर्पस टू. ट्रांजिट स्लिप होता है जैसे एक टाइप का रिसिप्ट होता है, जैसे आप एक्सप्लोसिव इशू किए या रिसीव किए, किसी को दिए, तो उसको एक रिसिप्ट बना के रखिएगा और रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग टाइप का वो हो जाता है. तो ऑप्शन है स्टॉप द पिल्फरेज ऑफ द एक्सप्लोसिव, जो चोरी होता है एक्सप्लोसिव उसको रोकेगा, येस. मैच द एक्सप्लोसिव इशूड एंड यूज्ड, येस. मेंटेन द रिकॉर्ड, येस. कीप द रिकॉर्ड एक्सप्लोसिव इफेक्टिवली बाय द मैगजीन क्लर्क. आंसर विल बी ऑल ऑफ दिस. आंसर विल बी ई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. Which of the following accessories used in blasting should be of the approved type of conform to the prescribed specification? Blasting cable, circuit tester, crimper. All of this. Answer will be E. Question number 48. Which is correct regarding number of shots that can be charged for firing in a round of blast? Any number of shots can be charged. No. Only those shots hole which are to be fired in that round shall be charged. Yes, not more than 30 shots shall be charged in round, and no, all shot holes which have been charged shall be fired in one round. Yes, answer will be B and D, 2 and 4. Answer will be E. Question number 49. The undesirable outputs of blasting are fly rugs, back and side spills, blasting fumes, only 1 and 2, all 2. Answer will be E, all 1, 2 and 3. Question number 50. ANFO and bulk SME or SMS explosives can be initiated by cast booster, emulsion booster, number 8 detonator, detonating fuse. Answer will be cast booster, emulsion booster. Answer will be A and B, both 1 and 2. Answer will be E. Question number 51. Which among the following is correct? The preparation of charges shall be carried out under the personal supervision of the blaster. Yes. The charging of holes shall be carried out under the personal supervision of the blaster. Yes. The stemming of the holes shall be carried out under the personal supervision of the blaster. The blaster का ये सारा काम रहता है. तो आंसर will be E. Question number 52. Advantage of using electronic detonator in blasting includes electronic detonator का better control over blasting induced ground vibration. Yes. Better pit wall stability. Yes. Improvements in excavation, crushing and downstream processing of the ore. Answer will be A, B and C. E. Question number 53. The magazine in charge shall be responsible for the proper receipt of the explosives. Yes. The proper storage of explosives. Yes. The proper issue of explosives. Answer will be E, all of the above. Question number 54. How can you control noise in blasting in open cast mines? Use longer stemming column, use proper delay sequence, use non-initiating system, use electric detonator. Answer will be all, E. Question number 55. During thundering and lightning in rainy season, charging activity shall be stopped. Yes. Manpower in charging shall be withdrawn. Yes. Detonator connector with the charged short souls can be disconnected. Yes. Exposed detonating cord relays, etc. shall be covered with soil. Answer will be all of this, E. Question number 56. What is the loading density of an explosive having a density of 1.3 gram per cc in a 100 mm dia hole? वो पूछ रहा है कि लोडिंग डेंसिटी कितना होना चाहिए, मतलब 1 मीटर में आप कितना एक्सप्लोसिव वहाँ पे आ सकता है. तो उसका दे दिया कि डायमीटर दे दिया 100 mm और डेंसिटी दे दिया एक्सप्लोसिव को 1.3. तो वहाँ केजी पर मीटर में उसको हम लोग को कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. तो वहाँ पे पहले देखना पड़ेगा कि 1 मीटर होल में वॉल्यूम कितना रहता है और उस वॉल्यूम में कितना एक्सप्लोसिव रहता है. तो वॉल्यूम के लिए क्या होगा, पाई आर स्क्वायर इंटू एच. उसके बाद डेंसिटी ऑफ द एक्सप्लोसिव उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेना है. तो डायमीटर डिवाइड बाई 2, तो 50 mm का हो गया रेडियस, हाइट हो गया 1 मीटर, पाई हो गया 3.14 इंटू डेंसिटी ऑफ द एक्सप्लोसिव 1.30 ग्राम पर सीसी और उसको केजी पर मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देना है. तो आंसर विल बी 10.20 केजी पर मीटर. Question number 57. Which sentence is true or false? Emulsion explosives has the highest VOD among the commercial explosives. Yes. True. Emulsion explosives are sensitive to impact due to their high VOD. False. Emulsion explosives has a better storage life. True. So TFT. Answer will be TFTC. Question number 58. Before charging, the blaster shall ensure that his assistant shall not have any contrabands in their possession. Yes. Drilling is completed and the drill machine has been marched to the set place. Yes. Measurement of all holes to be charged have been taken. Yes. Temperature of all holes if required have been measured. Answer will be all of the above. Answer will be E. Question number 59. Accidents are caused by unsafe conditions, unsafe acts, personal habits, unsafe tools. Answer will be E, all of the above. Question number 60. When shot is blasted in a quarry phase, fracture of rock took place by compression, tension, both by compression and tension, compression or tension, none of the above. Answer will be compression or tension, D. Question number 61. After a shot hole has been fired in open cast mines, no person other than dash the appointed for the purpose by the manager shall enter or allow any other person to enter the place until the area is free from dust, smoke or fumes. Answer will be ABC. Answer will be E. Question number 62. Every blaster or on duty shall be provided with suitable electric lamp or torch. Yes. Scraper, pricker. Answer will be E, ABC. Question number 63. In the event of a misfire, the tamping is lodged out with compressed air, water under pressure in a manner approved by the chief inspector. Answer will be all 1, 2 and 3. The answer will be E. Question number 64. Explosives are issued from magazine only to the competent person upon a written requisition signed by the blaster. The competent person upon a written requisition signed by an official authorized for the purpose to the explosive carrier. Answer will be all 1, 2 and 3. Question number 65. The factors involved in problems of noise in blasting are wind direction, firing pattern, weather condition. Yes, the answer will be E. Question number 66. The stemming metal can be removed from the shot hole by means of water, approved device, scalpel. Answer will be A and B. Answer will be D. Question number 67. Why delay is inserted between rows in a blast? To create a free face for back rows, yes. To control the back brake, yes. For better fragmentation, to control fly rack and ground grips. Answer will be all of these. Question number 68. Accidents during use of explosives can be avoided by keeping detonators and explosives separately, yes. Charging forcibly large size explosive in smaller diameter holes, no. Using iron rod for stemming of charged holes, no. Charging in holes having temperature more than 80 degrees Celsius, no. Answer will be A. Question number 69. Air overpressure and noise problem due to blasting is high when blasting is carried out in foggy, hazy or smoky conditions, night time, early morning. Answer will be all. Question number 70. Fly rog is caused due to inadequate stemming, undercharging, overcharging. Answer will be inadequate stemming and overcharging. Answer will be 1 and 3, D. Question number 71. The firing time of each hole can be accurately controlled by electronic detonator. क्योंकि उसमें आप डिजिटली एंटर कर सकते हैं कितना आपको डिले चाहिए पर होल. तो आंसर विल बी सी. Question number 72. What precautionary measures are to be taken during preparation and loading of the blast hole with ANFO? Avoid hand mixing of ammonium nitrate with fuel oil, yes. The blending site should be free from any fire hazard, yes. Transport the prepared ANFO ASAP to the blasting site, yes. Transport detonators, primer chargers, special gelatin, etc. and detonating cord to the blasting site by a separate vehicle. And should be all of the above. E. Question number 73. Any person finding any explosive in or about a mine shall deposit the same in the magazine or store premises. Every such occurrence shall be brought to the notice of blaster in writing. Every such occurrence shall be brought to the notice of the manager in writing. Answer will be 1 and A and C. Answer will be 1 and 3. E. Question number 74. Explosive and detonators can be kept in same case or container, separate case or container. Answer will be B. Question number 75. Which sentence is true or false? Detonators and other explosive material cannot be stored together. Yes, true. Waste oil products may be used on the preparation of blasting agents. No. A misfire is the complete or partial failure of explosive material of detonator or plant. TFF. Answer will be B. Question number 76. Misfire may occur due to incorrect use of blast initial system. Yes. Damage to the explosive while charging and stemming. Yes. Poor priming. Yes. Answer will be E. Question number 77. Who will ensure fencing of the misfired site? Foreman, mate, manager, blaster. Answer will be blaster. D. Question number 78. In a gassy mine where inflammable gas exists or has occurred in past, no shot shall be stemmed or fired by any person unless he holds manager certificate, foreman certificate, mate certificate, manager's foreman, mate certificate, blaster certificate, gas certificate. Answer will be B and C. Answer will be E. इसमें लिखा है ना गैसी माइंस, नॉर्मल माइंस नहीं लिखा है गैसी माइंस. तो गैसी माइंस जहाँ पर रहता है वहाँ पे आपको गैस टेस्टिंग सर्टिफिकेट होना कंपलसरी है. उसके बाद जो आपका एलिजिबिलिटी रहता है, चाहे मैनेजर सर्टिफिकेट, फोरमैन सर्टिफिकेट, सर्टिफिकेट ब्लास्टर्स, ये सारा चीज़. तो आंसर विल बी बी एंड सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79. डेंजर एसोसिएटेड विद द ब्लास्टिंग इन ओपन कास्ट माइन लाइंग अबव द ग्राउंड वर्किंग. अगर नीचे अंडरग्राउंड वर्किंग था पहले या है, उससे ऊपर में अगर आप ओपन कास्ट कर रहे हैं तो उसमें क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. Inflammable gases in below ground working may ignite due to blown through shots. Yes. Premature detonation of charged explosive due to fire in below ground workings. Yes. Below ground workings may collapse due to laser parting. Yes. Coal dust explosion may occur in below ground working. Answer will be all of these. Question number 80. Which of the following can be used as stemming material in a scientifically designed drilling and charging pattern? Angular boulders, sand, lightly pressed soft clay. Answer will be B and C. Answer will be 2 and 3. Answer will be D. Question number 81. List out personal protective equipment required in the mines. Safety helmet, safety no shoes, safety glasses and goggles, gloves. All of the answer will be E. All of these. Question number 82. Important parameters for assessing the blasting performance are fragmentation, blasted mock pile profile, powder factor, only 1 and 3, all 1 to 3. Answer will be E. All 1 to 3. Question number 83. The risk from stray current at the blasting site is minimized by shunting electric detonator leg wires except when short firing. Yes. Using well insulated blasting cable. Yes. Using non-electric initiation system. Answer will be D. All of the above. Question number 84. Which sentence is true or false? All holes charged on any one day may generally be fired on the subsequent day. False. Provision of regulation 164 of the MMR 1961 is regarding taking shelter within the danger zone. Yes. When there is a public road within the danger zone, as per provision of MMR 1961, safety of the road passers during blasting is ensured only by blowing an efficient hooter. No. क्योंकि खाली हूटर बजाने से नहीं होगा, आपको दोनों तरफ में गार्ड भी देना पड़ेगा. तो फॉल्स, ट्रू, फॉल्स. आंसर विल बी ए. Question number 85, the last question of this video. In which regulation of MEMA 1961 precautions in a socket has been given? 64, 67, 68. Answer will be C, 168. तो फ्रेंड्स, अभी हम लोग कंप्लीट किए टोटल 50 क्वेश्चंस. आई होप दिस विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल इन योर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. All the best friends for your upcoming examinations. Thank you.